Information given in this video is verified from Google and therefore accurate. The purpose of the video is only to provide information on some traditional turbans and nothing is there violating any community. Traditional Sikh Pagdi. For a Sikh, a Pagdi is a part of his existence and religious identity. They also have specific colors associated with different occasions and worn by different people. A popular color chosen for the turban is burgundy or red for weddings. However, a Sikh groom can choose any color for his turban and even coordinate it with the bride's outfit. The turban is decorated with a sehra, pearl strings and kalgi. The following picture represents a groom in a turban on his wedding. Rajasthani Pagdi. Rajasthan is known for its folk music, sandy terrain, spicy food, forts, palaces, and colorful turbans. A Rajasthani groom's turban is a specimen of beauty. They are also available in various forms. The fabric of the pagdi is dyed in bandhani or lehariya, which are styles commonly found in Rajasthan. It is twisted around the head in beautiful patterns. A Rajasthani sehra called a maud is tied on the pagdi of the groom as well as on the head of the bride when they take the fairas or vows. This brooch-like sehra further enhances the beauty of the pagdi. The following picture represents a pagdi worn by the people of Rajasthan. Marathi Feta. The Marathis call their traditional turban a feta. It is worn on festivals, important occasions, and of course on weddings, exclusively in Maharashtra. Other than the traditional orange and white feta, there is a Kolhapuri feta, famous for its bandhani pattern of colors. Kolhapuri feta is perfect for any groom, Marathi or not. The following picture represents the traditional turban of Maharashtra called Marathi Feta.
Jodhpuri Pachrangi turban. This beautiful multicolored turban, in which a cotton fabric of about 9 meters in length is dyed in 5 colors, is named after the city of Jodhpur. The turban is tied in a manner that all the 5 colors are visible in the turban. It is also decorated with serpage made from precious and semi-precious stones. This multi-hued turban can be worn with an understated sherwani or Jodhpuri suit. The combination of the two will make for a stunning groom. This 5-color turban represents Jodhpuri Pachrangi turban. Jamawar style. Jamawar is a shawl of brocade woven into the finest of silk made especially in Kashmir. The intricate work of original Jamawars take decades to complete, which is why they are very expensive. The following picture represents Jamawar style turban.
Shinde Shahi Pagdi. This royal pagdi is named after a popular Marathi title called Shinde. Made with the finest of silks, this turban was worn by the nobles and commandants of Scindia dynasty. When the Scindias ruled their state, the length of the pagdi and the number of jewels it was adorned with was dependent on the stature of the wearer. Specially trained turban makers called Pagad ones were employed solely for crafting these turbans for the royals. You can choose to style your pagadi in the Shinde Shahi style if you wish to look like a royal Sindhian descendant. The following picture represents the Shinde Shahi Pagadi. I hope my compilation of turban styles will help you pick the one that works best for you. Just make sure you get one tied rather than buying a hat like ready-made turban so you look royal, as every style has its own pride and royalty. I highly recommend getting them tied. Embellishing them with feathers, brooches and fine jewelry, a groom will certainly look royal and aristocratic. Thank you.